Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel, The Learning Academy. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. The topic is not the topic related to your academy, related to your subject, related to your syllabus. The topic is that the problem during the lockdown. Everybody knows the lockdown. During lockdown, we lapses our classes, and students, those who are living in the rural areas, periphery areas where there is no internet, no mobile connections are there, no communication facilities are also not there. So those students are suffering a lot. So especially my video goes to those children, and if they can listen, they can watch me from any source, then it will be very helpful to those children. So children, we should understand why the schools are closed. The schools are closed definitely for COVID-19, and why this COVID-19 for COVID-19 the schools and colleges are closed? Because it is a contaminated disease that can prevail from children to children, from people to people, so that the school is closed. And during this closure of schools and colleges, the study hampers. The teachers also suffering a lot, that they cannot communicate with the children, to their students. Give you a small advice, and I will clarify the concept of study, and I hope you will understand. Please listen to me till the end of the video. Dear students, we have a doubt having the word that is study. Always parents say, study my boy, study my dear girl, my beta or beti, whatever they call you. So teacher says study, study, study. Parents say study, study. Everybody who with whom you can come with contact with them, so they always say study and study, study. Nobody says read and read and read. Only subject teachers sometimes say, stand up and read the sentence or read the paragraph. So don't you have the question in your mind, what is study and what is reading? Studying and reading. I have seen most of the students of studying in standard 6 and 7, they used to write, I am reading in standard 6, I am reading in standard 7. So at that time I wish to clarify their doubt, and I also do sometimes the same. I clarify their doubt regarding the study and reading. So in this video, we will discuss about what is study and what is reading. Studying and reading. So listen to me. Students, studying and reading is equal to hearing and listening. Okay, you should guess the word. You should just the word that is hearing and listening. Everybody knows hearing means to hear through ears, isn't it? And listening means that we hear through ears, we listen through ears. But hearing, just that concept is different. We just hear what the sound was, isn't it? And we did not take it into our mind what the sound says to us, isn't it? Sometimes we clap. We just heard the clapping sounds, but we did not mean why the clapping sound, why there are clapping. Okay, so sometimes we heard the music. Yes, the music system is being played. That is music I heard. But I did not understand it, or I did not take it into my heart. I did not take pleasure out of it. So that is the difference. Hearing means we just hear, and listening means we hear and process it in our mind and understand it. Okay, if we implement it in our study, so hearing means we hear our class teacher, we hear our subject teachers, isn't it? But we never listen to them. If we listen to them, we will remember their words and their advices forever. Same is here, studying and reading. Reading means we just go on reading the sentences we are reading, like a newspaper reader. Okay, even though we understand what we are reading, but we never process it in our mind, we never implement it in our future or in our day-to-day life. Okay, so studying means what? We study, we acquire, we get the knowledge out of it. But from reading, we never take the knowledge. We just read. We just pass the written sentences into to somebody else, or to whom those who are listening to us. Okay, those who are listening to us, hearing us. So we just pass the written sentences to the listeners through the oral sentences. That is called reading. But studying is what? Studying means we take the knowledge out of it. We read, we understand, we process, we implement it in our life. Whenever we are asked question, even though in our classroom or during the examination, or even we are instructed to write in the answer sheet, isn't it? So whenever we are asked these questions or related questions, we will be ready to give the answer. Okay, because we understood what we listened, we understood what we studied. Okay, reading means it is not compulsory that we will understand it. Okay, so students, those who are studying in standard 6 and 7, they should understand studying means we are acquiring knowledge. We are taking knowledge out of the textbook, and we will implement it not only in our examination but also in our life. Okay, and to make you educated, we all are taking pen. The students is taking pen, the teachers are taking pen, the parents are also taking pen. So we all are called stakeholders. Okay, so teachers, parents and students, okay, so all are stakeholders to educate a child. Okay, so we have heard about the three corners, triangle of study. First one is the stakeholder, the student, and second one is the classroom or the teacher, and the third one is the environment. Okay, so sometimes the children, they never like to go to school because they say school is some people, they are also influenced by the movies, Hollywood movies or Bollywood movies, whatever movies they see. They say we can acquire knowledge from everywhere. Yes, I agree with you. You can acquire knowledge from everywhere, but I promise you, you cannot get knowledge, proper knowledge, okay, or good knowledge from everywhere, except your school. Students, we have so many teachers. When we set out of our home, we find many elders are there, many children are there, many people are there who always give you advices, including our parents also. They give us advices. I know our parents, they give us good advices, but we cannot be sure about the people outside of our family. They are giving us good advices. But on the other hand, if you see your teachers always give you good advices. No teacher is there that he will motivate you, he will wrongly motivate you, he will bias you. All the teachers, even almost all the teachers, they motivate you positively, they give you good knowledge. And so the parents, they believe on teachers only. And the next one is a textbook. Textbooks are the most reliable and shortcut way of getting education. Suppose a cowherd boy is there who is grazing the cows all the day, and he is acquiring knowledge, meeting people to people. Okay, and the same child, if he will be studying in a school from UKG to LKG, UKG, standard 1, standard 2, standard 10, standard 12, and after 12 years old, after 12 years of studying, and he would be almost 14 to 15 years, and he will be 16 to 17 years. And after 16 to 17 years, when the child will be coming out of the school, passing out of the school, when he will come, and he will find the difference between the child, the educated child, and the child who is clutching the cows. So you must get the difference like hell and heaven, because the student, he studies everything, almost everything, varieties of subject, and he is instructed to implement it in his day-to-day life. But the cowherd boy, he never get all the knowledge out of meeting people to people. Okay, so I believe, not only I but also your parents believe, that school is the right place to give you education, and teachers are the right people to rely on. And the next one is the school building. Why the school building? In earliest days, the gurus and sishyas relationship was different, and they were going to ashram, they were studying outside, okay, and they are studying limited things. Yes, I know, but current education system is changed. We need better result, okay, better output within a stipulated time, 10 years or 12 years or 15 years. But in those days, children had no pressure on their mind, children had no responsibility, they are leading the life just studying the religious books. But now the science, the time, the education system, everything is changing rapidly, so we have to catch the trend within a small period of time. So we learn varieties of things, and children are taking interest out of the things. As in 2020 you can see the technology is taking the leading the most. So so students, you can rely on the school, because school is the place where you will meet varieties of students, the students belonging to the rich and poor, any background, and caste, creed, we don't know what varieties of children, we cannot count them. Okay, so this varieties of students are the varieties of talent, varieties of knowledge, ideas, and which ideas mingle together. When we meet your friends, your classmates, just we discuss with them about particular topic, particular situation, so you learn from them, you will learn from them, and they will also learn from you. Okay, so that is the right place, I hope, a very right social society to learn things very quickly. Okay, so in this video I have covered hardly these three things. One is the right things to study, that means text, and another is the right place and right person. Okay, so students, all those things are together provided by our government. In government schools, the poor people are taking advantages out of it, and I request all my students during this lockdown, you should study harder. Even though in the absence of your teachers, you can contact me with my mobile number, you can contact with other teachers at our school with their WhatsApp number and contact number. So don't get half-hearted that we have no teachers, we are not going to school and we cannot study. The books are being provided. You can also download the books from websites, Google, and you can study it. Okay, so you don't leave your study, take it as a challenge, take it as an opportunity that you are getting ample of time, enough time to study and understand without your teachers and without your friends. So students, I hope this video will motivate you, and I expect from you that you will study, you will keep my words, and you will help yourself to build up your careers. Thank you for watching.